Hold, please. There, that might be better. Just hanging out till everybody gets in here. I'm a little early. Can you all see? Now I'm wondering if I need to bring you back. I think I need to take you back. Just a smidgen. I never know about these things. Hey, sister. Can you say okay? That should work. Hey, soul sister. Hey, Barb. How are you, Barb? Hey, sister. It is flat pouring here. We've had rain for 7 days. 7 days? 7 to 8 days. But at least it's warm. Thank goodness it's warm. I got my door up. I'll wait till a few more hops on. It's not really... She is so much better. Barb, I don't know if you know. I took her to the vet. Monday. Took her to the vet last Monday. It was a week yesterday. Am I right? I don't know. My days get... Took her to the vet. And it was awful. Just hearing her scream out in pain. But she has Lyme disease. They tested her for Lyme disease, and that's what she has. Even on a preventative, they can still get Lyme disease. And my heart is broke. But she is 110 times better than what she was. She's playing again, and from what I'm trying to figure in my mind, she's had this for a while. I just thought she was getting older, and she was just calming down some. But it was probably that working on her. But she is so much better. Hey, Amber. She is so much better, and she just talks all the time again, and she's going to be on medication for the rest of her life, but that's okay. Just as long as she is good, then... the ticks are so bad. For the last 2 years, the ticks have been really, really bad. You can't walk outside hardly without getting a tick on you around here. So... But thank you for asking, Barb. Yeah, she's over all... She's in her shedding era. I brushed a whole dog off of her the other day. I'm like, girl, I can make a wig out of this. But she's doing a lot better. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go. And I'm going to do like a boxing and a half on Creek Road. Oh, she is? Well, she's probably seeing a lot of cases of it then. Like, I was shocked. I come home and I was like, how does that happen? Because, you know, you try to do all the right things. And I come home and started researching and all this. And I was just in shock. But I thought it was hip dysplasia. Hey, Brandy. I thought it was hip dysplasia. And I was shocked. But she didn't like the vet because, you know, it hurt. She hurt. Trying to get her up in SUV and stuff, it hurt her. And I was just a mess the whole day. I cried. Like, I was sitting in there and, you know, they take him back in there. And I can hear, I know her voice. And, you know, she's real touchy anyway. And I could hear, like, scream. And I know there wasn't, like, really hurting her. She just thought they was hurting her. Hey, Maria. And I cried. I was sitting there boo-hooing. And the vet come in. And she said, we're not hurting her. I promise you, we're not hurting her. And she said, she gave me two options. Either do x-rays on her to see if she's hurt her hips or do a blood test. I said, do a blood test. And then that's what it come back to. So, all right, we're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to have a box and a half unboxing. So, this is the bill. We don't need it. So, Halloween's coming up. Get you some ranunculus. This is the best filler in the world. And better be stocking up on it. Hey, Maria. I gotta go on a spending budget. I truly do. I got some red for Christmas. I'm finishing up my last patriotic today because I had a 250 sign left, so I thought I'd go ahead and use it, and then that'll be the last one of the year. I've got fall in my shop, so I think I'm going to move on to Halloween and maybe do some fall, but not a lot. But Christmas, I'm gearing up for Christmas. And then I got some of the white. Hey, Sarah. I got some of the white. If you guys are on the fence about this stuff, get it. Because it is the best filler in the world. And it's economical, especially with your Double Trouble discount. I think I got 12 of these. I left some. I left some for y'all. Did I order these? I think I did. This is that white Speedwell. At first I didn't like it. I mean, I'm just being honest. At first I didn't like it. But when I started using it, I really, really loved it. And it comes in different colors. Also, I got the purple in it also. But I just cut it down like so much, like in half, so it's not so bulky. Then I think they had like one sorghum bush left, and I've never used sorghum bush. But here we go. I got one. I haven't used it yet. How's the weather where everybody's at? It's rained for 7 days? No, that would be fibbing. It's rained for 5 days. Because the day we took it to the vet, that was Monday. I think the next day it rained. So, we're probably like at a week of it raining. I got some of these for fall. And am I going to love it? I've never used it. Everybody's, uses it. And I hope they get some more. I kind of waited too late to decide. I got these for fall or Halloween. Use them for both. I like pink and orange together. So I got 1, 2, 3. I got 4 of these for Halloween. Indiana 79. Well, at least it's, even though it's raining today, at least it's warm. That's better than that cold. Then I got this for fall or Halloween. It's just the orange. And you can get a lot of cuts off of these. I think they're $8. But you can get a lot of cuts off of these. I got 4 of these. And then I got some pull-aparts. These things are fantastic. This is like the rustic brown. 81. That's what we've been dealing with, Maria. I'm worried about my tomatoes. Like, I mean, they're doing good right now, but tomorrow's supposed to be worse than today because they're already calling for flood warnings. If we can get over tomorrow and we can start drying out, I hope. Aren't these going to be great for fall and Halloween? This is from Creek Road. This is all from Creek Road. creekroad.net. The white Christmas. Debbie over there, let me tell you. Y'all, like, I ain't got nothing over on Debbie. Debbie. If we need supplies, Debbie could open up her own supply store right now. And here's what they call the gold. I got this one for Christmas, which I think I got some white over there, and these for fall and Halloween. But if anybody, because everybody loves sorghum bush, I'm going to try it. But everybody loves it. And if it ever comes back in stock, y'all better grab it. Don't be like me and wait to the very end. And even these are great. These are great fillers. I have learned over my time that fillers make a big difference in your designs. Yes, Sarah. Just go to Tennessee. She could start her own. She could start her own like business, like selling right out of her house. I ain't got nothing over on her. Nothing. Debbie, am I correct? Because she knows I am. She knows I am. I better put this over here. Alright, here's the other box. It's already been opened, but I don't know if you guys saw that me and my bestie, hey Janie, me and my wreath bestie, Kimberly of Kimberly Designs, Ohio, we are going to be taking over in June in Double Troubles. The first week in June and the last week in June. We'll be designing one time each week. So here's what I'm going to be laying out for, this ain't all of it, but this is what I got to go for those designs. The first week is June 4th, and it's at 11 o'clock Central Time, and I'll have all the times down. But I will be doing this sign on a swag boho. We're going boho style. If you can see it. With some sunflowers. But I think I'm going to use these. These come from Creek Road. I'm going to be incorporating this and this sign. Hold on. It's that ring light. These. I figured it was, Debbie. There you are. There you are, Tammy. So I'm going to be using this. And I'm going to use probably a few of these to kind of incorporate along in there. This will be my boho design. I'm trying to decide, I want to use it on a swag. We need to do that on my birthday party, Debbie. Debbie, we need to do that on my birthday party. So here's all this that I'll be using. Plus, I'll be incorporating some of this. And some of this. Be like a fall boho, I guess is what you're calling it. Maybe some of these. And these are all Creek Road products. Then, on the last week, I'm wanting to say it's the 26th, but I'm going to have to get that. I know it's June 4th, and then I think it's June 26th. I'll be doing Halloween. This will be my Halloween. We can do it, Debbie. I don't care. It'll be fun. This is my Halloween one. Got some black ficus. Now, I don't have all my stuff for this. Because I have some black roses. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Coming back, I promise. I'm back. I'm going to use some of these. And then these are the black hydrangeas. that I will incorporate into it all. Somehow, some way, with the deco mesh. So that would be it. I probably got, you need those shoes? Girl, I couldn't walk in them shoes if that's the only pair of shoes I had. My high heel days is over. But you could incorporate a little bit of green in this. I know it's reflecting. You can incorporate a little bit of green. If you wanted to make it delicate, maybe, I don't know. I won't know till I get started on it, and then it'll Diamond's looking at me. So what's wrong with you, woman? But anyway, that'll be the last week in June. This will be the design I'm doing. So this really is the first time I've looked at it because I've had it sitting in there in a box. We're definitely going to have some spiders. Look. Look at the spiders. Don't you love it, Janie? I love it. We need some spiders and maybe some baby pumpkins. We could do that. Wait, look. No, that'll have to stay boho. There I go. I'm thinking off script. I don't know yet. My Halloween ribbon's still put away. I did order, hold on. I did order this deluxe. My table's a mess. But it has purple in it, which you can add your purple in it if you wanted. You definitely can add green. But I did order this, you could add like some purple roses. I know you do, Courtney. I know you do. But you could add some purple roses or purple florals. And you got the green in the sign. If you wanted just to change it up just a little bit, that would be fine also. But I haven't thought, I've got to get my Halloween tote down. I've got tons of ribbon in it. But yeah, that's what I'll be doing. This will be the last week. I'm thinking it's the 26th, but I'm not real sure. Well, you better be getting it, Debbie. You better be getting it. You can't sleep on Creek Road products. I hope so. I hope so, Sarah. I did my first Halloween design last year. And I was nervous about it. And I'm nervous about this one. But I don't know. Hey, we'll just do it and we'll see what comes out. The best thing you can do is when you're nervous about something is just do it. Don't overthink it like I do and just knock it out of the park. Like I said, your feelers are your biggest asset in any design. Besides your sign and your ribbons. Like once you get your fillers in there, then it all fills out and it just looks perfect. But that's what I'm going to be doing. Boho and Halloween. 6/23. There it is. So it's June 4th. I'll be doing Boho Fall. And June 23rd, I will be doing Halloween. Glam Halloween. Glam. Because you know I'm glamorous. But anyway, if you want to join the Double Troublemakers group, which I will be designing in twice in the month of June, I will drop my affiliate link below. And if you want to order from creekroad.net, you can use code AL10 or TC10 to get 10% off your purchases. And if you join the Double Trouble group, you get a better discount at Creek Road. And the other, like Southern Owls and Tarnation Creations, you can use that code on them also. So, I don't know what them girls is going to be doing. Now, they wanted to know, should they be nervous? And I say yes. What's old Kimmy got up her sleeve now? CLK? CLK? They'll come back and they'll say, what happened to the group? But anyway, if you want any more information or anything like that, you can go to doubletroubles.com. I will drop my affiliate link below in the video. And I hope to see everybody there June 4th. And I'll be doing a fall boho. And see you all in the next live. Y'all have a great day. Bye. I can't reach it to turn it off. I got short arms. Bye, guys.